Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Justin. Today I want to quickly show you a very cool Google Chrome browser extension that lets you translate any word or phrase on any website by simply double clicking. I've gone to BBC News in Spanish, and let's say I'm reading and I don't know what this word empresa means. I double click it, this little symbol will come up and I click on that and it translates it directly. Empresa means company in English. Let's see one more example. Okay, también. Double click on también, click on the symbol, means also. And it also works for entire phrases. Just highlight, the symbol will automatically come up, and there you have the entire phrase. Now, this extension is called Google Translate. So you can add it by going to the Chrome Web Store, by Googling Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, Google Translate, and it should be the first option. And here it will say add to Chrome. For me, remove from Chrome since I already have it. So once you add it, it should activate automatically, turn on. And by going to manage extensions here from this little symbol, you'll be able to see your extensions, see that it's toggled on, and go to details to see some options. The main important option being the language. So extension options here will let you choose your primary language, so the language it translates into. And you can also select what happens when you click or double click, sorry. So I've set it to display the icon, but you can also set it to immediately show the translation. Click save, and that's it. It's a very simple but powerful tool that I've used to improve my vocabulary because it makes reading a lot more enjoyable. You don't have to change tabs to go to look up a word. You can do it right from the article. So I hope that was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll try and make more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.